Hi, you guys. Oh, lighting. Duh. Okay, hold on. We're gonna actually have light for you guys today. Hi. Hello. How are you guys? I hope you are doing well. I have for you today a massive thrift store haul. This is going to be home decor and future DIY projects that I'm actually hauling today. So keep your eyes peeled. This DIY sort of assortment will be coming to you very, very soon. I promise. I've already got one of them filmed, so stay tuned. But I do want to go over some things that I just picked up from the thrift store. I am so excited, so let's just jump right in. The first thing that I saw and I picked up was this large glass jug. It is just so pretty. It has sort of like this creamy cast to it. You can kind of see. This was just such a fun find. I love the top of it. I thought it was so pretty. It would look so pretty with some dried grass or even just like on the floor in the corner hanging out, but I just thought this was beautiful. I liked the design. I love the texture, so I did pick this one up. Should probably do all the glassware first, right? It's probably a good idea. So the next piece that I picked up was this sort of brownish auburny colored glass. It's a little condensation-y because I did, again, clean all of these items before filming, so it's a little bit wet. I don't know, but it's clean. It's clean and wet. So this one was like a fun, just a clear canister, but I liked that the top was sort of this like circle. I don't know. This to me just looked more unique than some of the other canisters. Granted, it's probably not the tightest seal, but I thought that... Hi, welcome back. It's probably not the tightest seal around the canister, but I thought, you know, this could be cute in like a bathroom or even in a kitchen with something that doesn't really spoil in it. Like you could put like nuts or chia seeds in here. I use chia seeds in my yogurt. I also use chia seeds on like peanut butter and toast. So that's sort of just probably what I'll end up using this for. Also, for the kitchen, I picked up this little not octagonal, because it's got many more sides than 8, but it's sort of that idea of like a stop sign. It's got like all these, it's not quite fluted glass, but it's like that sort of, I imagine this to be like a cottagey texture. And this is just a large, it looks like it should have a lid, but I have another one of these without a lid, and I really like the shape of it, so I just thought this would be really cute holding some utensils in a kitchen. I'm always buying utensil holders just because I get bored so easily of home decor, and I love to switch up the purpose of items, so I did pick this one up as well. This was so interesting. I have no clue what this is. If you guys know what this piece is, I would love to hear your thoughts. So it's this, right? It looks like it's just a basket, but it's got this like inside part with like, this is glass, right, all around here, but then this is also like a glass tube. I don't know what this is. I have no clue. Love that it had this like basket attached to it. I thought that was so cute, and I just love it. I don't know. I'm kind of obsessed with it. I love it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it's for. So if you do know, please let me know in the comments because it is really pretty. I just have no clue what it's for. I also picked this basket up. So this is just a regular basket. This was $3, which I was so excited about because I love the shape. I think this would be gorgeous in a kitchen with fruit or vegetables or something in it, just like produce. Imagine grapes hanging out of this. Come on. Some like apples. I don't know. I love it. I thought this was beautiful. I love the tone of the rattan. There are certain tones of rattan I don't buy. Not that I don't buy stained rattan ever, but I don't tend to veer towards it. So finishing up with some of the stuff for the kitchen that I got, I did pick up this Lazy Susan, and it is like one of the most stunning wood tones I've ever seen. Lazy Susan's coming. I don't know what about this tone of wood just spoke to me, but I also liked how it spins. It spins nice and easy. It doesn't get stuck anywhere. I love that it's all wood all the way through. I don't know. I really liked it. I like that there's like this lipped edge to the sides of it. Thought that was really pretty. I love the grain of the wood. Like, I mean, it's stunning. But the one thing that I don't know for sure about it is if it's like got a finish on it so that it's actually food safe. But I just thought this was such a nice find, and it's like it's just so pretty. This next item was sort of an obvious choice for me. This was $5.99. It's just a brass planter. I always buy planters when I see them because things to put plants in, like potted plants in your house in, are so expensive. So when I find them at the thrift store, I always pick them up because I'm like turning into a plant lady. Like, I don't know, I've got a plant there, I've got like 7 plants in here now, and like it's just growing. So, and my boyfriend's getting into plants now. So I bought a planter because it was brass, and I always buy brass at the thrift store as well because it can be so pricey again outside of the thrift store. This is the final piece that I won't be DIYing decor-wise. I got a couple things. This was originally for a bonsai tree, but I took the sticker off because I was cleaning it. But I loved it because it's just this stone little pot. Like I said, I'm always buying plant pots, so I did pick this one up as well. It's just black with this really truly beautiful weathering to it. I love the texture of this. I love how neutral it is. These next 2 pieces that I picked up are for DIYing, and I was so pumped when I saw these. So I picked up this pot. It's got like a butterfly or a dragonfly, I'm not really sure what that's supposed to be, but it's got that in the glaze. I will probably be painting this, which is such a shame because I love the color. I just hate this little design. I cannot stand that, so I will probably be painting over this, which again, I love like the speckling, I love the color of it, I love the mustard, but I just cannot live with these little designs. And then I found this shape, which if you know me, you know I'm not super partial to decorating with red. I like red tones, but like the color red is not my favorite to use. So this will be getting a facelift as well, but it is just this large, sort of almost conical shape vase, but I liked the detailing. I love that it's nice and curvy. I think this would be beautiful for some flowers, but I'm going to be giving these 2 a facelift along with my 3rd little guy that I will show you in the DIY video itself, so stay tuned. Please subscribe if you want to see that video. Stay tuned, and I will keep you guys updated when that's coming. That should be relatively quick. Anyways, that was everything for you guys today. I tried to make this video a little bit quicker than my usual just because I know I have not filmed in a very long time, so yeah. That, do I have, oh my god, I'm forgetting one of the most exciting items! Okay. But I was able to find a mini one. Look at how mini and cute it is. It's like the size of my hand. It's so small and so cute. I can't actually read the signature, but it is signed on both sides. But let me get you up in there. Look at how pretty that is. I loved the colors. I even like the little frame. It even came on a little like wire to hang it. That's so cute. I'm gonna put it on a shelf. I'm not actually gonna hang it, but I'm gonna leave the cord there just in case I do one day hang it. But like, can we talk about that? The texture, the warmth, the nice, like you can really see like the brush strokes on the flowery part because they're like less shiny than everything else. I don't know, I just really loved this little painting and I thought it would be so cute on my shelf. So yeah, so I bought it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please subscribe if you would like to stay tuned with the fun DIYs that I have going up on this channel very soon. Probably next week you will see those, or later this week. You will see those DIYs completed, and I am so excited to be back and filming for you guys at regular intervals, hopefully. Again, this is like, I mean, it's hard. It's hard out here for a girl. But thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in the next video. Stay well until then. Bye-bye!